Here at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle, we are proud to present this Range Rover Velar Edition, finishing the very stylish Hakuba Silver. Comes with a 2-litre diesel engine, and does come equipped with full service history, stunning 20-inch gloss black alloys, and you've got the rear privacy glass working well with that silver finish. Very practical amount of boot space, I'm sure you'll agree, no trouble fitting luggage, shopping or bags in. Moving to the interior, I have got the ebony leather finish, very comfortable to be in, plenty of legroom in the back there as well. Meridian surround sound system sounding fantastic throughout the vehicle, and memory function for the driver's seat. You've got a very well presented dashboard, as well as having the sliding panoramic sunroof that add a huge amount of natural light into the vehicle, and then front sport seats gripping you very nicely. You've got ease of access to the navigation system, as well as your rear camera, which works in hand with your front and rear parking aid, and a huge range of other features accessible with a simple touch. Moving down, you've got another touchscreen display on here. You've got your heated front seats, as well as your 2-zone climate control. And for more information, please give us a call on 01228 599 000.